What are we doing today, Lulu?
Beach trip, come on. Family day out, made it on the train.
Back is ready to go.
Femi, you excited?
Yep.
Oh, he was 20 minutes late.
Okay. No.
Yeah, he was 20 minutes late. Guys, how are we feeling?
Yeah, not too bad. 10 out of 10.
The beach. Okay, good start. Oh. Okay.
That's sort of sad.
Oh.
Sorry. What's some diving then?
Guys.
That's where the diving is. I think it's to do with the net because it's like it hit like.
Bad players blame the equipment. Shambles.
We can kick it.
Oh.
I'm running fast and free to you, 'cause you are the movement and fight in me. I'm running fast and free to you, 'cause you are my home where I wanna.
I don't think he's got the most appropriate sort of footwear.
Are they chinos? He's made
He's
it
done
quite
it.
far.
Is this in the rule book?
3, 2, 1, 3.
Oh no!
Go on then, movie.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Tasty?
crunchy. Oh, you know what? Texture's not great, guys.
I want to try it now.
Go on then. Cool guy.
Can't
It's
try it.
got protein in it, it's fine.
Come move in me where I wanna be.
We've moved on from spikeball to football. We're scared. It's not our forte.
Femi is dangerous with the ball.
Ruby?
Oh, Ruby! Oh!
Just past the post, bro.
Did you get the ball?
That was a 2-footed red card challenge for Femi.
Did you get the ball?
It could have been killed.
Call it, take it quickly, Origi! Yeah!
Move in me. Come on, everybody! I wanna float with you. The currents driving me, but I'll paddle hard too. When the waves and rapids overcome, I wanna stand firm. When my mind's weak and my emotions squirm, I must stand true.
Great day, great fish and chips, great sunset, great company. Live like a true Scouser.
It's good day. Good day. I'd say 9 out of 10. That's high rating.
What stopped it?
Well, nothing's perfect. So.
Oh, so true.
Well, no, something's perfect.
Oh, say it.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah, that's
Probably rated like 9 out of 10.
I would say 8 to 9. It could be better just because we're missing out on Toby,
So true.
Leicester and then Kanan.
Shout out.
I was going to say David. So.
My favorite part of the day was the 10-2 jokes.
That was my least favourite part.
That was the best. Changed the score from 8-1 to 8-2.
That was
That
you
was the
both.
best time.
To you. I'm running fast and free to you, 'cause you are the movement and fight in me. I'm running.
I'm not getting the dogs out, bro. I'm just
Do
saying.
not get those dogs
Right.
out.
Now to the children. Now to the children.
Bro, they had a cannon. When you shoot the cannon, like fire a volley.
Of course, Femi's good. He's good at everything apart from spikeball. Oh yeah.
Cretin. You know when you walk out at Anfield for the first time?
Oh yeah, no, we might be cooked, guys, because
Preston just beat Bernie 3-0.
Oh, Ryan, did you bring your inhaler today? I haven't, no. Yeah, nothing's perfect.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Apart from Jesus.